Hi, I'm Doug from Greensman Incorporated, and I wanted to show you how we install on a gutter that doesn't have any leaf guards in it. And typically we'd bring the power up from around the corner there. We use UL listed plugs right there, and we'd tape it off and add the extension power to it. And we would basically, it just snips right into the gutter like this. Next one goes here like this. We'd work it all the way down across the property, or across the gutter in the front. It's basically how it goes in. So there's no drilling, no gluing, nothing's permanent. Obviously, we would continue this all the way down the row here if we were installing on this house, but this is just an example of how it installs without gluing or drilling into your house or into the gutter, anywhere on your house. So again, this is the install of gutter clips, as we call them. They come out real easily, just come out real nice and easy. Hope that clears things up.